we have to realize that just as joy has a purpose, so does pain. That pain, though it might be a harder lesson, is the soul's impetus to grow. And so it's creating friction in our souls to wake up quicker. Now, that doesn't justify the pain. It doesn't necessarily make it go away. But what it does is it allows us to realize, oh, this pain that I'm feeling has a purpose. It's bringing me awareness to an aspect of me that's not comfortable with how I feel inside and how I relate to the world. My conditions in the world that I think are outside of me are all conditions of myself. There's an empowering sense of responsibility when we own that. Right, I've created my world perfectly to bring me to a state of awareness where I can embrace my pain as something that can bring me forward in my life. So that doesn't stop the pain from hurting, but what it does is it opens a doorway for the light to come in.